Good morning, my dear friends. So, in this, we are going to learn how to earn 30% by investing in stocks. See, these people are so happy because we are doing this workshop from last November 23, and our target was to gain 30%, and we have achieved better than that. How we have done this? So, let us see. So, last year in November, we invested rupees 2 lakhs lump sum, and we set a target of investing rupees 50,000 every month for the next 1 year. So the total investment will be 7.5 lakhs by October end, and we have targeted to achieve around 30% profit that time, and total investment done till August 24 is 6.5 lakhs. So what are the shares we have invested in? So these were the shares we have invested in. First was Motilal Oswal Finance. We invested at a buy price of 442, quantity 92. Today the stock is trading at 748 with a 69.2% gain. Second investment was Jindal Saw, buy price 483, today's price is 684, again a profit of 41%. Then PCBL, Philips Carbon Black, invested at 228, today it is trading at 491, it has doubled, around 115% profit. Another strong stock was Power Finance Corporation, invested at 388, today it is trading at 538. Sangvi Mover 750, trading at 875, again a good stock, that is Newland Lab, which has given more than double. We bought at 5774, today it is 12490. Mahanagar Gas, good return of 49%, and LT Food, which has also given a good return of 86%. So total, if we see these 8 stocks, we are able to gain 66% in this against our target of 30%. Still 2 months are left. Some of the other stocks which we have invested in is Tyrnix Performance. We invested at 1440, today it is 2730, almost reaching double. Oracle Finance 6241, 1099. Then we have some ETFs like ICICI Bharat 22 ETF, invested at 90.44, today value is 118. So these are some of the other stocks and ETFs. Crest Ventures, we had invested at 296.55, today it is trading at 463 with a gain of 56%. 20 Micron started at 169, today it is 325, a gain of 92.5%. Some of the stocks we have made some losses also, like Share and Securities. Canara Bank, we have gained 6%. NMDC, we have made a loss of 4.7%. IDFC First Bank, we have made a loss of 11%. But on overall, we have made a gain of 34.5%, and this value of these stocks are at present 3,07,000, 3,08,000. Last sheet we have seen it was around 362 and 3,07,000, around 670. Then again, some small stocks we had invested in, like JG Chemicals. Here also we have made a profit of 74%. CMS Infosystem 45%. There are some firms where we made loss, like Global Education, Goa Carbon, Suraj Products, Pressure Sensitive, and 2 more stocks, AGI Greenpack and Garware High Tech. Garware High Tech has also given a good return. So due to these stocks, we had a gain of 23.3%. So overall, our value today is 8,90,177. We add up all the 3 sheets. So we have selected these stocks based on our criteria, certain criteria, which we'll discuss, and we have seen this return. So against our investment of 6.5 lakhs, today we are at 8.90 lakhs. So what have we gained? This is a chart which shows what amount you have invested in the second column. Invested 2 lakhs in November, December 23, 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. So up to August, we have invested 6.5 lakhs. Now the amount is not being invested in one go. It has been invested month-wise. So the return has been calculated according to the rate of return. Had we put this money in bank, then today in place of 6.5 lakhs, we would have got 6.74 lakhs. But we had made a target, at least we should have a 30% gain, and according to that the money should have been 7.47 lakhs. But against that 7.47, we are at 8.9. So our gain return is more than 36%, more than 42%, more than 48%, more than 60%, and here we are in between these two. So our return is more than 60%. We had made the comparison in different months. Like December, we were having a 42% return. Then in January we were having 323, that was 60% return. In February it went to 84%, then came down to 60%, 48%, 60, 48, 48, and now today it is more than 60%. So against our target of 30%, we are making 60% profit in last 10 months. So how we have achieved and what to do now? So first let us talk what to do now. So this calculation we have done up to June, July, August. Now I have updated that. So we have to now sell these stocks which are not performing. 8 stocks which we have selected, like share and security, we have made a 20.3% loss. Canara Bank only 6% gain, and all these loss making stocks, this is the best time to sell because market is high. So please sell all these stocks, and when you sell you will have a total of 98,000 rupees in return based on their current price value. So this will be our step 1. Plus we have seen that we have a total of 1,50,000 in cash, because the amount which you have deposited in June, July, and August has not been invested in stocks because I was not able to make videos in last 2 months. So now we will invest all this 150 plus 98,000. What we will gain from this? Around 2,48,000 we have to invest now. Where to invest now? So we have planned to invest Motilal Finance 50,000, ICICI Bharat 22 ETF. We will invest 50,000. Motilal Oswal MO Value ETF. It is also ETF. These two are ETFs. Here we want to invest 1 lakh. REC Limited we will invest 28,200, and PFC will invest 30,000. So this will constitute 2,48,000. So we will go ahead with this. So this will our investment in tomorrow's or day after tomorrow's market. Now let us see how we select the shares so that we have a gain of more than 60%. 60% is a very good rate of return. So you can see my videos. I have told basically three things to watch for any stock, which is technical parameter, performance and belief, and valuation and growth. So how do we see these parameters? Like for technical parameter, I have listed some of the items that market capitalization should be more than 500 crores. P by E ratio should be less than 20. ROC, rate on return on capital employed, should be more than 10, higher the better. Return on equity, it should be more than 10, higher the better. Current value to book value should be less than 5. So these 5 parameters you have to check. Where you will check? You open the screen, you open the screener, you type screener in Google, and then put the name of the share. They will give you all the details. I have shown this in my previous videos, so if you can go there and check, you'll be able to understand what are the parameters and how to check and how do we select the share for investment. So in summary, dare to dream big. Don't be satisfied with 8% and 10% gain in bank. Dare to dream big, because it will make a phenomenal change in your life. Take steps to secure your dream. Take some risk, and this stock market gives you a wonderful opportunity which is not so risky, and this is a dream time for India because Indian GDP is growing very fast, and if GDP grows very fast, then stock market has to grow. Minimum investment period should be 3 years for stock and mutual fund. If you are taking a decision to invest in stock and mutual fund, please do not invest if you have a horizon of less than 3 years. These are the tools to build long-term wealth, not short-term. And if you want to build long-term, your minimum investment period should be more than 3 years. If it is less than 3 years, I will request you not to enter stock and mutual fund. This financial workshop we had started in November to see actually what stocks we have to sell, what we have to buy, and by selling and buying, we had made this gain of 60% against our targeted gain of 30%. One tips: sell shares before 11 a.m. I have told you sell these shares. If you want to sell the shares, please do it before 11 a.m. And if you want to buy shares, then buy after 2:30 p.m. 2:30 to 3:30. Why? If you do only this, there will be change of 1 to 2% in buying and selling. This is not any recommendation. Please do your research and then do investment at your own risk. But I tell you, this wonderful opportunity is at your door. The foreigners are utilizing this opportunity. Why not you? If you want to learn more, then you can go to my YouTube channel at the rate Target30Stocks. Here I have given some learning videos. Be rich and wealthy. Chapter 1 I have done. we will continue this chapter 2, chapter 3. Then certain videos I was telling you how to earn 30% stock. You can see here monthly we have put this video where what shares are to be invested in, what is to be sold, what is to be bought. Then some financial stocks and 5 golden stocks I have also shown in this, and they are also giving very good return against this 30%, 40%. They are giving a return of 50%. So these are the shares. If you go to my YouTube channel at the rate Target30Stocks, you can learn many things, you can see many things, analyze many things. You will be able to analyze your stocks, and you'll be able to maximize your gains. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining my channel. Thank you. Good morning, my dear friends. So in this, we are going to learn how to earn 30% by investing in stocks. See, these people are so happy because we are doing this workshop from last November 23, and our target was to gain 30%, and we have achieved better than that. How we have done this? So let us see. So last year in November we invested rupees 2 lakhs lump sum, and we set a target of investing rupees 50,000 every month for the next 1 year. So the total investment will be 7.5 lakhs by October end, and we have targeted to achieve around 30% profit that time, and total investment done till August 24 is 6.5 lakhs. So what are the shares we have invested in? So these were the shares we have invested in. First was Motilal Oswal Finance. We invested at